Hey guys, good afternoon. Mike here. We got the Poorboys car out because we're about to do some work on this dude, guys. I got in the mail today the parts I was waiting on. Drive cups, the only ones I could find, and I do know that the TTO2 drive part does go into the drive, into the diff on this car, so we're gonna hope that this works. But it is OP1477. That is the diff cups for the upgraded TTO2 drive shafts from Tamiya, and I got the servo saver hop up, which is OP1120. So hopefully that will work as well. It says you need also a 1500, I think. Don't know what part that is, but when I looked it up, it's a TTO2 part, or maybe it comes on a TTO2 parts tree. So I'm gonna look through my stuff, see if I've got it, or it's 5100 part number. So we'll look through our stuff, see if we've got that, and if we do, we'll throw that dude on there too. But we're gonna get this dude off of here and see if we can get this guy ready to make a run. All right, guys, let's try this diff cup out. See if it's going to work for us. Hopefully it does. Okay. Look at that, guys. Like it's made for it. Now, take these drive shafts here that my buddy Paul over at Right Place sent to me. Thanks again for that, Paul. I would probably still be waiting on parts, buddy, if it wasn't for you. So I do thank you. And we should be back in business four-wheel drive here. That is, if this one doesn't evaporate too. All right, let's get this dude back on here. Now, we haven't got a good run out of this car with this Valenian system in it from Traxxas. So I'm gonna give it a couple runs, see how that does. I know I still got a little bit of time, but if all else fails, Chris over at MK1 Engineering, here's his deal here. He had a garage sale on his channel. Guys, I don't know if he sold everything or not, but I have a motor that I purchased from him. It's a 3630 4400 kV. So hopefully we'll work up to putting that in with this and figuring some of that at, how to get that in there and working. But for now, we're just going to try to get over, 12 miles an hour or whatever it was, 17, I'm not sure. Second to last on the board, so we'll see what we can do with what we got here. So we'll get the battery charged back up. I am going to do the servo, so we'll get this dude out of here and see if we can figure that out. Guys, this didn't work out for me because I didn't have the right parts to go with it. So I'm gonna order the parts to make this work, but I think I got the stock stuff to work. I went through my parts trees and I got some extra spacers, and I tightened this servo saver up some. But if you're gonna do this, you will need the other part here, which is it says item 51000. So if you guys can see that. So we'll put that to the side for now. It's in 4-wheel drive again. So charging the battery up right now, and then we'll head out and see if we can make a run with this dude. And hopefully get a little faster than we did last time. What's up, guys? Got the MF-01X out here for the Poorboys Speed Challenge, and we're gonna try to make a run. Finally got all the parts in a dry day. I tried to make a run yesterday on Friday, but it stormed here something fierce, so we're gonna put her on the ground, see if we can get a run in. 0. Tracking. Hopefully we can get her to go straight. Looks like she wants to go pretty straight. All right. That's full throttle for a good minute. It's not wanting to go straight. Hopefully I didn't lose. See what that was, guys. Stop, read, 42 miles an hour. So definitely an improvement from, I think, the 27 that I got last time. We'll get her back up here and pull the top off so you guys can see what's in here. That was pinned, so I don't think I'm gonna get any more out of this little system in here. Still got all my drive shafts, yep. So that's good. I don't know why it was wanting to turn on the way back, but anyhow. So it's the Valenian 3S system, Valenian motor, and that was on 2S, guys. 42 miles an hour on 2S Traxxas 25C. So I'll probably be upgrading the system now. See if we can get her to go any faster than that. But anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I'm enjoying watching you guys' runs. There's some fast guys out there. I know 3S is gonna still be a challenge, so good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching. Guys, leave us a like and a comment and subscribe. We're 15 or so away from the 1,000 mark, so thanks to everybody. Y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.